Alright, I'm installing the Z1 Performance rear camber kit. Obviously take off this one here, you got bolt there, bolt there. The camber bolt in the back, you can't pull it all the way out without taking the rear sway bar out. So you got the two bolts here, the one hanging at the top here, and then finally you can, let's see if I can do it. There she goes. Alright, so now I got that one out. Goes just like that. I'll install the new one, see how that one looks. Alright, just got this one in. Before you bolt everything back up, once you put, I loosened this by an idiot. I thought I needed to take this off, but I don't, so I did. When I had this in first, this wouldn't light up, obviously, because different length here did not match here, so I had to kind of undo this to match it up in length. So I'm gonna throw this on the alignment rack and get this thing evened out to what would probably be best for traction, because I do have the slicks on the back, so keep in mind. But that's what it looks like. I put this nipple on the bottom here. I'm not sure what that does. I have to read obviously into the Z1 packet that came with it. I just figured that'd be easier as opposed to pointing up, so I switched the control, or not the, I switched the other one from the other one. So that's what she looks like. Then I'll do this side and show you both. Alright, I got both of them in. Now I'm gonna adjust these coilovers, try to stiffen it up a little bit, because I am getting a lot of, you can see here if it focuses. The fender's kind of eating into the slick, so and then it tears off a piece of rubber and starts just freaking slapping the side fender here, or quarter panel, whatever you want to call it. But shockingly enough, this one came with, I don't know if it'll focus on there. Kinda, it says SPC, so these came with SPC rears. I'll probably just get rid of these because I wanted the Z ones. So I'll probably just let these go and adjust these coilovers so it'll sit a little bit, maybe a little higher and a little more stiff. But yeah, because I'm trying to preserve the life of these slicks, because you can see it right here. Oh shit. Yeah, you can see it right there. You kind of see a little bit of wire because it's kind of going through, but let me try to preserve these so I can get as much out of them as I can. My boy Brian's a damn wizard. So we got these adjusted as best as possible. Trying to put as much meat on the ground as we can. This is the front readings. My boy Brian making it happen. I did strip a lug nut today, cross-threaded, because I need the center hub ring for these ones, because these ones are rough and Mustang and it kind of wobbles, so you kind of got to square it up. But kind of rolled these a little bit because it was eating up the tire, but should be solid. First start up the Z1 Motorsports exhaust. I had the G35 exhaust. Unfortunately, I need a little connection here, so I sit not far, but I'll go by the muffler shop tomorrow and get an extension. Go for it. Rev it up. It's not bad. I'll post an update tomorrow of the extension on that, so it kind of hangs out a little farther up. Alright, so we got that Megan add-on. It's like 6 inches, so now we have the exhaust that's finally meeting the bumper. Last update it was kind of pushed back a little bit because this one was for 350Z and I just needed to purchase the Megan extension. So sounds pretty good. Yeah, no complaints about it yet, but it's a full 3-inch, so hopefully once she gets put on the dyno, make some good power for it. Well, just pulled up CVP. I had to order some cam gear bolts. We misplaced the other one, so we got some cam bolts. This is the final piece of the puzzle. Pretty much the last thing I got to do for them to pretty much almost finish it. They have almost the whole motor assembled. Let's go take a look at it. that. After you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
See ya.
What's going on, man?
Stop.
The bolts? Yeah, but the plugins for the stock injectors are you have to wire. There's like a what's the word I'm looking for? Like a pigtail.
Yeah.
They have to wire into the harness. So.
Oh, they're not.
It's an adapter harness, but the two wires come out of it to where you have to.
Gotta wire it to the. So then I'll do that out of the car, so we don't gotta worry about it.
Yeah.
Once everything's on, we ain't even.
Yeah, no good, man. How fun is this gonna be?
Not too bad. Once you put it, just.
Is it you push it in and it condenses and then you take it out?
All you do is just pull it out of it.
Oh.
It shoots this out.
Oh, okay.
So once you pull this, that fucking shit shoots.
A lot of like tension on that thing?
Yeah, hell yeah. But see, the thing is that we gotta on this one, on these kind of motors, we have to prime them. Get the
oil.
without starting it. Because
Yeah.
these ones are oil. The ones that go through here, the tensioner for the back chain here, it has to have oil ran through the motor.
Did you find the gaskets for this?
Yeah, not the new ones, but yeah.